Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we will discuss a very important problem from Module 1 of DBMS. So our question is, what are the advantages of using DBMS approach? Explain. So let's start with the first advantage, which is controlling data redundancy. It means DBMS reduce duplication of data by storing it in a single centralized system. This saves storage space and ensure data consistency using technique like normalization. Now move to our second one, which is restricting unauthorized access. In this, DBMS provides security features where the database administrator can control who can access what data and what operation they can perform. Now move third one, which is providing persistent storage. In DBMS, data is remain even after the program execution end. This allow long-term storage of data and even complex objects in the advanced system. Now move to our next one advantage, which is efficient query processing. In DBMS, uses indexing and optimization technique to quickly retrieve data, improving overall performance. Next one is providing backup and recovery. In case of any system failure, DBMS can store data using backup and recovery mechanism, ensuring data safety. Now next one is offering multiple user interface. In this, different user can interact with the database using the various interfaces like query language, forms and applications. Now next one is representing complex relationship among data. DBMS can manage and represent complex relationship between data, which helps in modeling real-world situation effectively. Our next one is enforcing integrity constraint. It ensures accuracy and consistency of data using rules like primary key, foreign key, and domain constraint. Now next one is permitting interference and action using rules. In this, our advanced DBMS support triggers and rules to automatically perform action based on the certain condition. Next one is enforcing standards. In this, DBMS maintain uniform standards from data formats, naming and structure across the system. Next one is reduce application development time. Since the database structure is already defined, developers can build application faster. Next one is system flexibility. In this, whatever changes can be made in the database without affecting existing application, making the system adaptable. Now, next one is availability of up-to-date information. In this, since the data is centralized, any updates are immediately available to all the users. Now, finally is economies of scale. In this, centralized management reduce overall cost by sharing resources like hardware and software. So these are the major advantage of DBMS. If you want these notes, the link of the WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel given in the description box, you go and check it from there. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express Video for all.